It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you a pair of Ray-Bans that are part of my collection that I absolutely love. You guys, these Ray-Bans I like because they are one of the very few sunglasses I own that are polarized. So they give that extra comfort to help you not strain with eyesight. But I usually don't like polarized glasses. For whatever reason, these guys are very comfortable to me. And let me go ahead and show you them on. So on the face, the polarization really gives you that extra relaxed feel. Like my eyes feel like they just got in like a memory foam bed. They feel so comfortable looking through. And I do like the fact that these lenses aren't so dark because I can wear them on a cloudy day and still get that comfort from that polarized frame. Or lens, excuse me. Now let me go ahead and show you those frames up close with that keyhole design, but they got a great little pizzazz here with that metal arm. And then you got a matte black for the earpieces. And these are super lightweight because of that plastic metal combo for the construction. But I also want to show you those lenses inside as well. So you can kind of see that lens provides just enough darkness to give you comfort, but not so dark that you can't see through them. You guys, I highly recommend these glasses. I love them. I wear them so often. That's my point of view.